4 ways to automate your sales process. How important is automation? Is it really of much help? The answer is yes. Automation is adding value by reducing manual labor, saving time, and in this case, increasing sales. Here are the 4 aspects of your sales process that can be automated. Email. Studies say sales reps spend 21% of their day on emails. That is a large chunk of their day, almost a quarter, which can be better spent talking to prospects. Email automation is the answer to that dilemma. Lead prioritization. Your business may receive a high volume of leads from multiple resources. Some of the leads may be looking for a fling, while some may be interested in starting a relationship with your company. AI-based lead scoring tools help your sales reps prioritize these leads. Day-to-day tasks. Apart from modular tasks like sending emails and qualifying leads, sales reps do various administrative tasks on a daily basis. Data entry, creating appointments, and setting reminders, as well as invoice generation can all be automated now. Report generation. Reports are tiresome and boring, but extremely important. By automating reports, you can eliminate the manual tasks of collecting, organizing, and analyzing data. This further excludes inaccuracies that are born out of human error. Overall, sales processes shouldn't be that much of a hassle. With automation, everything is made simple and easy. If you'd like more information on how you can automate your life, be sure to visit us at lifeofautomation.com.